Abusia me no share bibia say last Monday. Me share this very Monday Now, it's about persistence. Na so be kaya Monday no me no che bibi kakra ana enra ye toa so. Na Monday ni ye hyase no me catch you say ye be conclude on this persistence asemi aye kan nyame ya adom a Wednesday being today. Iti ene ena yede eba awiye. But a quick recap na fi ye fene de nto so. Monday de ye hwe no wo brofo kasem say there's no shame in life's struggles. It is how you handle the struggle that determines the outcome. So focus on the possibility of success, not on the potential for failure. And right there na share no so no. Or say bear in mind that a river cuts through rocks not because of its power but its persistence. Don't doubt your ability. Believe in yourself. Afi the we cry no still under persistence. And at the end, assembly say winners aren't people who never fail, but rather people who never quit. Be real and put your best foot forward all the time. Your success is just around the corner. Hold on. Just don't give up. And they want the power. TBMO. Or say winners aren't people who never fail, but rather people who never quit. So be real and put your best foot forward all the time. Your success is just around the corner. Hold on and just don't give up. Or say, Omwa a young kunimdifo no, omudi kunimu ade a omo ye bia mu no. San krofo no, enye enkrofo omo de enkugodie eni omo akwam ana omo de chese ontimi ni nkugo da o. Da bi omo so omtimi di nkugo ma yeyi, but omo ye enkrofo a ono no onyai da otoko so a so obeye. Enti ade no ye na anye ye agegu asai, but omo na bamumu onyai ye obesan ayebiem so be no empren du na obe feli kura still obesan ye empren toso du baako kopim se obetimi ayama ye so obe no na wa survive na wa break it through. So the ohua the glory, the celebrations ne ade ni na. So you think say oh they keep winning, meanwhile wa failure but wa men no ambu na bam. But because u faili ba ko penti no na obamu abu o se wonye biem, then you become a loser. Enuti de wo ye bia no de wo na mu bia no anamo bia wutu bia ade bia wo ye bia betimi abase eye school kon wo masua betimi abase adwuma wo bie betimi abase e control sem betimi abase relationship issues ne ade, whatever the situation might be. Also say enko yi no ana baby adun de age agu no me patcho baby ajigu ye na no san sori gina biem ne to aso ne ye koso a san ajigu asan sori ajigu asan sori ajigu asan sori koso ye san till say obetimi edinku enkunim nti abri nyina no bo homodin ye ne kai ne hu say wonsu nkunim die no eteta no he ya de sese wo ya ne say obeto aso akoso aye na unjamu enka se baby e madu de I am giving up. We any asem na yede to ye hofo e wo Ofie Kwanso medie so wa Adom 106.3 FM. Adaroma omo emie tie sa